Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review this, what I would call an IKEA drawer dupe. It is the Winsome Wood Halifax 7 drawer cabinet in black, and I got this from walmart.com. I don't know exactly how I discovered this. I might have been searching for an Alex drawer or something like that, but it ended up in my search and I instantly fell in love, so that's why I got it. In a perfect world, I would have loved to have gotten another Alex drawer, but basically the Alex line doesn't offer anything that I was looking for. I just really wanted a lot of smaller drawers, not deep drawers. And when I saw this, I just thought it was perfect. And I feel like it'll hold the same amount as like the standard Alex drawer that I already have. It's not as deep as the Alex drawer, but the drawers are a little bit wider. So that's why I'm saying I feel like it will be able to hold the same amount. And yeah, I'm really excited to organize my makeup and put it in here. I don't have anything put away in here yet. I mean, at the top I did kind of just stick all my highlighters in there for the time being, but I haven't put anything in there because I want to put locks on it first, because I have a toddler and she likes to get into my stuff, so I want to do that before I put all my stuff away. And yeah, I'm really happy with it, honestly. I definitely recommend it. I feel like I've had it for much longer than a week. The only thing I would say about it is I did put it together myself and I didn't have any power tools, so it took me a couple of hours to do. So if you have help and if you have a power tool, it might move along a lot quicker. And the only other thing I would say is that they could have labeled all the pieces. The instructions are really simple to understand. It's just, I feel like it would have just been a little bit easier if all the pieces were labeled. And that's about it. And I got this for about $100. To me, it is definitely worth it. I don't know, like I said, I personally like it. So yeah, that's my review. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave those down below and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.